Hi there, and we're going to be seeing how in this video, Limin Dasher and Avalanche DNF. And so in the end of the video, Sky Blue was the 13th one. And even though there was 15 in this race, technically Sky Blue wasn't the last one there, but excluding the DNF ones, he was. Because Limin Dasher and Avalanche did not finish the track. And we're going to be seeing how did they do it. And so, at 2:16, zooming in right here, that was probably Limin Dasher falling off that ladder thing. Because later in the video, we still do see Avalanche. And Avalanche probably DNF'd later on in the video after Limin Dasher had done it. But then, we're going to be going on later in the video at 5 minutes. And then we're waiting to see where Avalanche is. That white one going up there, that ladder is Snowball. And look, there's Avalanche, that white and blue striped marble right there. That's Avalanche. And I'm not sure quite where we see him DNF. Might have just not seen it. But we probably did see Limin Dasher DNF as he probably fell off one of those ladder things. And then as Avalanche went around that thing, probably still did not see it. But then as we went on till the end of the video, which was where Sky Blue was last, technically not because excluding the DNF ones, where it was both Limin Dasher and Avalanche. They both did. It was either that they fell off or something else, but they were probably outside of the track. But Limin Dasher most certainly fell off.